where we know exactly what we're doing. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Thomas with TMWYT. Back again here in my garage. We have another Nissan 350Z. This belongs to my friend Jaden here. How's it going?
How's it going?
It's wrapped this cool pearlescent color. Do you know what it's called?
The gray is chameleon gray and the white is gloss pearl.
Looks so cool under the LEDs in my garage. Very rad. But this boy has been stock height for 2 years. Just looking like an absolute chop. So we got some beautiful Fortune Auto Coilovers today to install on this thing, and we're gonna absolutely slam this thing to the ground. We're gonna do negative 150 degrees of camber. It's gonna be freaking sweet. Irv's gonna help. He's gonna be the supervisor, sit in his chair the whole time and do whatever Irvs do. But we've already cracked into this box. You don't know anything about Fortune Auto, they're really quality coilovers that are hand built, super nice. They're no like Raceland or Teens, you know. Not that there's anything wrong with those, but these are gonna be really quality. So we're just gonna jump right into it. Did you lock your keys in the car?
No.
Irv, supervising. Pops, doing Pops things. He's so old. He's very happy he's got a gun, but he can't see down the iron sights anymore because he's too old, so he had to get a red dot sight. He also blew up his AMG. Go watch that video if you want to see. What's cool is like when we did the bags on the other 350Z, so there was the bag in the subframe and then the strut was separate, and this is a true strut replacement, so it moves the spring to the strut and you no longer have the spring in the back. So very cool, a lot better design. Put you on blast. Dang, boy.
What not to do?
Where'd you find that alignment, dog?
What was he doing?
BC coilovers.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Yeah, I just wanted to play Call of Duty all day, so we disconnected this top weird looking suspension thing, and now the strut can come out. Hey. It's okay, it's gonna come back and beat my car, right?
Number 1 is out.
Got it?
Yep.
Sick. There's the difference. These are a lot better looking than, these are stocks. These are ancient. Practically a dinosaur at this point.
17 years old.
So much better. So now we're gonna adjust the preload. I have no idea what this means, but we're gonna learn and find out. So like, here's preload. So he's moving this ring up right here to basically compress the spring to adjust the preload. You guys probably already know this. I didn't know this. I had bags, so it doesn't have this. After getting the preload adjusted, we just dropped the first front strut in. We got the front strut on where he wants to throw a wheel on there, I guess.
I just want to see what it's...
You're chilling, bro.
That's like what it was on the ground before. Just kidding.
Jaden is getting the rear starter back here. Should be super simple, knock on wood. So there's So what happens to this? Does your subframe just not have a spring in it anymore?
No. So it's all going to attach right here where the old strut did.
Okay.
And it's all just going to replace this, and this is just going to be gone. Eventually, I would like to get a bucketless control arm, and it would just be a straight bar.
So you're still gonna have like the cup, but there's not gonna be a spring.
I will still have the bucket, yeah. There's just not gonna be a spring.
But there's an upgrade that you can do that makes it an actual control arm?
Yeah, it's just a straight bar.
And is it like a camber arm?
Yeah, you can get adjustable ones.
Ooh, camber gang.
Kind of worried that the spring's got some tension on it still. And
yeah?
It's gonna shoot the bucket down. Yeah.
Find out next.
Seriously.
Find out next on Destroyed in Seconds. I like doing 350Z struts because you don't have to tear up the interior to get them out. Even though he did.
I know, I tore it up for no reason.
I told you, I was like, I don't think you need to do that, dog. Just look at a video. And you're like, I don't need to look at a video. Breaks clips.
Yeah, I broke one clip.
Snaps plastic thing and...
Okay, that was my fault.
Look at that. Looks great up there. Nice. Sweet. Sick. Not too difficult of an install. Look at all the crap that dropped from his stock. Everything. Jeez, bro. I'm gonna need to vacuum my garage after this. What the hell? Why is there a Camaro out from my house? Some old guy going next door. You should go flex on him and rev your exhaust.
What? I'm not gonna let you rev my car.
Oh my, you chotch. You absolute chotcherino.
Alright, we're a beat, What are you doing? Can I get the 17 when you're done with them? An asshole. Thank you, sir. So we're just gonna finish up the side real quick, and then we'll cut to the car dropping off the jack stands, and we'll see how good we got the ride height. What was that, Jaden? Can't get the strut out. He broke his car. We're gonna have to total it out. Yeah, just part out. Let me know.
Well, why don't you just
5,000 for the chassis.
Why don't you just take out the strut?
It won't come out.
Oh yeah?
Yep. It's all disconnected, but it won't move.
I like how Irv couldn't get this one figured out, so we moved on to the next one.
I got it all taken apart and figured it out.
We'll figure it out. Welcome to TMWIT, where we know exactly what we're doing. It's true.
What? You just filming me?
We're professionals, bro.
Yeah.
This is quality content right here. This is exactly what I want. Race car. Watch us cut it out and it's still that blows.
Yeah, it f***ing died on that one.
Bruh. It's a metal cutoff wheel. Yeah, right. It's still not going out.
Dude, you should have just left it on. I could get
What are you f***ing doing?
I was wiping all the moves off your bitch ass.
I don't give a shit.
He's comfy. Careful. You can't get his car figured out. He just got his perfect stock strut. He's angry because he's not going to be able to resell these coilovers for $25. Nissan 350Z stock struts for sale. Lightly used, never been cut off with a cutoff wheel. They're just duct taped. Somebody commented and said that I was the idiot hillbilly, and I believe that. Yeet! We got it.
What the f happened?
Brand new Nismo coilovers, never been used. we'll just duct tape this back on.
Like this bottom part's like just kind of warm, but this top part's hot.
Duct tape it back on. Don't be scared.
We'll just tape it like that, and then we'll tell them it's brand new.
You're gonna have to buy a new blade anyway. You're
We'll give
gonna
them a
make
nice
that money back
flat
somehow.
black paint, and they'll be brand new. $25. Hit us up in the comments if you want to buy brand new Nismo
Brand new.
air suspensions.
Yeah, look how clean these things are, bro. Oh
If we
my
just
God.
if we wrap some grocery bags around the springs and then weld that back on, they're bags.
So I'm gonna hold.
We are still trying to get this front strut installed.
So is the top wishbone just stuck still?
The whole thing just won't go down very far.
Jeez. Stupid Nissans.
Like I want someone to be able to hold this in, and then someone be able to push it down.
Well, how did you get the other one in?
What do you mean?
Didn't you just put the other one in?
Yeah, but this one still won't go down far enough.
Why not?
I don't know.
Today we installed coilovers on the new 400ZX. XZ. The 400 GTR.
It's the proto.
The Maxima GTR. I know it's bad. Tell them that. Tell them his mirrors are trashed.
Yeah, my mirrors are garbage.
You're right.
To get that close-up cinematic shot.
Smashed in.
Give me that big ass fucking plywood.
He hates me. He's like, I'm never f***ing installing car parts at Thomas' garage ever again. He didn't even help. He just made fun of me with his camera.
I mean, it sounds about right.
But all of his tools broke because he doesn't own Snap-on.
Do you guys want to see Alex's car really quick? Let's go look at Alex's car. Oh my gosh, what do you know? It's like they're friends or something. Got the gray RS and the ESRs. Carbon fiber hood. Tuned by Graveyard Performance here in Salt Lake. We'll do a build overview on this car soon, but... And now back to regularly scheduled programming. They're in the exact same spot where we left them. Why don't you just put it in? Guys, we finally got it. He dropped the sway arm and we were able to get all the room that we needed. So we're gonna get this stretched.
Sway arm?
What did I say? I said sway bar.
Arm. It's the sway bar end link.
You get me. Today we installed car parts on TMWIT. That's sway arm again. Okay, yeah, so we did something. He did something, I watched, and now we're good, and we're gonna slam it. Sick. Nice. Irva's supervising, still.
Oh,
Alright guys, we are getting ready to drop the car here. Finally got everything put back together.
I'm not ready.
Coming in hot.
Loki, I would like the front to say how they were, just so you can get a feel for how they said.
all loser.
Oh!
You barely have to pull that.
The rears are basically how they were.
The fronts are lower.
Fronts are dumped, dude. The fronts are dumped.
Barely have to roll.
Yeah, you're not driving that yet. Send it. No. You've got to lift that back up. No, it's good. Send it. Lower the rear a little bit. I think you should leave it and lower the rear. Slam it all the way.
I'm down to try it.
It's
Do
still
it.
a little bit.
Why don't you go try driving it out of my driveway and see how you
They're not cheap coilovers, so. Yeah, and it looks really, really good. Holy smokes.
Yeah, it looks sick. Dang, Utah flexing with the sky tonight. Oh my gosh. What is up? What is popping? Woo! Okay, big angle, big angle. We can go out this way. This other way. Oh shoot, he's sending it. All right, yeet. Full send or no send. You're good. You're freaking great, dude. That's perfect. That's perfect. You want to do like one pass?
It's rubbing pretty hard.
Yeah. We need maybe a touch up in the front. Dude, it's slammed. It is so, I smell it, bro. Yeah, let's go like a little tiny bit up in the front and a little tiny bit down in the rear. Alright guys, we got everything all dialed in to a safe driving height for now, and these will settle over the course of the next few days. We got super good ride height up here, just so he's not rubbing and scrubbing everywhere, but still a good stance, and then a great fitment in the rear as well. Just about a finger in both. Nice. So now, after a long day of installing, we are now going to cut to a cool cinematic shot. Let's head over to the gas station right now. Damn, this turned out so fire. Love doing the Fortune Auto Coilover install on my friend Jaden's 350Z today. Looks so much better than it came into my garage looking like. No more stock, crappy fitment. Looks fire. What do you think of it?
I love it.
Love it? Irv,
Absolutely,
supervising
100%.
still?
It's garbage.
If you guys enjoyed watching today's video, make sure to leave a like down below, and if you have any questions, just leave a comment as well. And I'll have Fortune Auto Coilovers link down in the description for this car if you want to cop them for yourself. But that is going to be it for today, guys. I will catch you in the next one.